Oh, I think it goes here. Hey, Cindy.
This is just so exciting. I feel like we've got everything now we need. The bell went off! Hi, Cindy.
What happened?
The bell!
The bell went?
Yep.
Awesome. And now this is recording now. So I haven't got the bell on this. I have got the bell on that now.
That's the third time.
That's the third big bell go. So we've got the SLS camera. So we've got the SLS camera. We've got 3 bells.
Three
Three
bells. 3 rings on the bell.
3 rings. So that's
Got
Cindy.
the typewriter up.
So we've got Cindy's typewriter there now.
This, Cindy. About your typewriter.
When your
what you
dad
used to
watches
do.
this one, it's going to be funny because that hasn't gone off since you played pool. It went off twice.
And that's the first time in a while.
It was the first time for ages, but like this has gone off again today. And I think that yesterday, I think it was just Cindy saying, "Oh, I'm here," just letting us know she's watching us play pool. Ah! That's right, exactly right. Okay, now I've got a camera.
Cindy.
So that any time Cindy wants to show us things, we now have all the equipment. So if she wants to show us stuff, now it reads the card, see?
Oh, yeah.
So you can't put a card in if it's on. Okay, so what? Oh, Cindy! Too good. Good. Now we got this. All right.
You're making me feel very happy, Cindy.
You're making us happy.
You really are.
Oh, Cindy!
Hi, Cindy.
Yeah, we're having problems with this for a minute. That wasn't right.
Maybe that was mine either.
Hey, Cindy, that one wasn't rain, was it?
Oh.
Oh, I said that wasn't rain, was it?
Was it? Yeah.
Oh, cool. And
Awesome.
I said to Cindy, that wasn't rain, was it?
Yeah.
Ding.
Ding. Oh!
Oh.
Hey, Cindy.
Hey, Cindy. How you doing? No,
So
that
exciting.
was not rain. That was not rain.
She's got a sense of humour, Cindy.
You ever practice? Oh, just go. Okay, well, I'm glad I got that camera. It's too bright, but I know how.
Ooh.
Oh, how good is that?
So much action, Cindy.
See? Hey, Cindy. Do you want? I should. I don't know whether I should ask Cindy questions. If she wants me to ask some questions. Cindy, make the K2 meter go up if you want to ask. If you want me to ask questions, or if you just make the K2 meter go up, or the cat ball. If the cat ball K2 meter go up, I'll get some questions. So if you ask a question, it goes ding, means yes, and if you ask a question, it goes ding ding. That's why it's better than the. That's why it's better than cat balls, because it's
Or is just no, just silent?
Means you probably doesn't want to talk to you. If nothing happens, probably that's not here, or doesn't want to talk. Okay.
Got you a typewriter, Cindy.
Yeah, your typewriter's here. And if you press one of these buttons, it actually will type.
I'm so excited.
You stand there for a second. I want to see if you're in frame there. No, you're not in frame. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
That's actually that. I think that does this part.
No, that's doing that part. But if I had this one here. Cindy, do you like making people happy? Oh, KK.
Do you like making Wayne happy?
She always makes me happy. Oh!
Oh,
awesome.
I love it. Oh, you just made my day, Cindy.
I actually think I'll make Cindy happy too. To
I think so, yeah.
When we had a bit of a problem here, Kelly came down here, and Matty's Bar and Bistro was down next to 202. There's a guy, Matty, owned a bar there, and he went a bit wacko. He was going to burn the place down or whatever. And so, yeah, so
bad energy.
Oh, yeah, and then Matty wasn't even there. So by the time we got back here, we left two people. Cindy really liked them very much, so nothing happened that night. That's the only night it didn't happen.
Yeah.
If Cindy doesn't like them or they act badly,
yeah,
Cindy doesn't
she
want
would
to
feel
talk
the
to them.
energy.
Yeah, and it's the same as you and I. I mean,
yeah.
you used to use the cat ball all the time, but now you use the bell. I kind of like seeing the cat ball. I miss seeing the cat ball.
Yeah, I miss the cat ball.
Really?
I asked her before. I said, if you are there,
yeah, really.
Can you?
Like when the cat ball goes up, I just get excited about it.
One cat ball?
I got about
I got
15 of them. You're sure.
Because we used to have 3 out here.
Yeah, yeah.
Or 2 out here.
I've got bucket loads of cat balls.
I love it. I love it so much.
I think she likes the bell better than the cat ball.
Yeah.
I think that's what she's saying. So I think I've wasted my money on cat balls.
You've stocked up and...
I stocked up on cat balls and that's...
Oh, I love it. I love it so much.
I go for the 4. And I knelt down on the bed and I had a pillow. Because this time Margaret taught me to do it. Oh, okay, so I had a pillow here. I kneeled down and put my hands just above the pillow. She taught the students who are running her school today.
Oh,
Right?
wow.
People running
So
school
taken
today, she
over.
taught them.
Yeah.
Right? But they didn't know who I was. And then she'd go, "Oh, you can't come on Sunday because Wayne's coming." And everyone would know who Wayne was, and she wouldn't tell them. And I don't know how Cindy knows that. That's interesting. But anyway, Margaret was passing away, and at the Bromwich, she'd come and see. Oh no, my wife said, Margaret said, "Go and see her. She wants to see you." My only thing. I just wanted to be happy here.
Yeah.
As long as I know she's happy here,
Yeah.
fine. And she has already told me many times she's happy here. So
is it still your religion to believe in happy? Yeah, I think that
happy
was
here,
to you.
right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So that's probably why because I still believe 100%.
Your background.
Cool. Right. I'll do that one and that one.
Thanks so much, Cindy. I'm gonna miss you.
KK can't come for 6 weeks.
It's a long time. Bullshit.
Oh no.
Maybe I'll have.
KK's going to try and come down because her children are on holidays, but she'll try and come down.
I can't believe that.
That was cool.
That's
wasn't it?
good. That's great.
That's pretty spectacular.
It is.